There's a habit many of us fall into without noticing: replaying what we might say, predicting how someone might respond, running through conversations that haven't even happened yet. It can quietly consume more energy than the conversation itself. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote brings attention to that mental loop and the calm that returns when it stops. The mind settles when you stop rehearsing conversations that haven't happened. This quote reminds us that imagined dialogue often keeps the mind unsettled. We anticipate outcomes, defend positions, or search for the perfect words long before they're needed. The body reacts as if the moment is already here, creating tension without resolution. When you step away from rehearsal, something softens. You return to the present instead of projecting into possibility. You trust your ability to respond naturally when the moment arrives. Rather than trying to script it in advance, clarity grows from presence, not prediction. Most conversations unfold differently than imagined anyway. When you release the need to prepare every outcome, you free attention for what's actually happening now. And that's where steadiness lives. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice when your thoughts begin scripting a future conversation. Gently redirect your focus to something real and immediate around you. Let the future remain unscripted. Carry that ease with you as the day unfolds. You don't need perfect words ahead of time. Often, calm returns the moment rehearsal ends. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Presence quiets anticipation, and trust steadies the mind. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.